Hello, welcome to the vlog. I found a little rat.
I'm just digging in the snacks like a Bigfoot.
Yeah. It's Wednesday. Yeah, Lammy's on top of the world.
Yeah, Lamb.
Said, this is my cat tree, my tower.
Very good.
Rescue me.
Aww.
I'm like Rapunzel.
Oh my god.
Oh my god.
Are you okay?
No.
Oh no.
I just effed up my hip so bad right now.
Okay, sorry for laughing. I didn't mean to laugh.
You didn't
okay?
know? No.
Oh.
You all saw it. Did you see the look on my face like I was descending into the 6th level of hell?
No.
Oh my god, my hip. I'm gonna have to crack that out. Hope it didn't dislocate. I'm still standing, so I'm still standing. Elton, what have I done? Or should I say Bernie? Because Bernie Taupin wrote the words, right? He writes the words and Elton writes the music.
He writes the words, yeah.
Yeah, well, I'm still standing. Barely. So I just got home. Somebody's having a snack. Somebody else is having a snack. That's what I get for being a smartass.
No.
Oh god, I'm in a sweat. That was a lot. I had to do another solo shopping trip today. But the good news is I bought, well, I hope it's good news. I bought theater tickets for tomorrow for Sean D and me. We're going to go see The Wizard of Oz live. So that should be fun. He's a Frankenstein-sized person, so I'm going to have to edge out these little kids to get, like, a good legroom seat. But, like, come on. These kids would sit on a meat hook to watch the show. Sean D needs the legroom.
True.
So, oh, Lord. Shopping today. We started off at, well, I started off at Michael's. It's in that bag over there. We're not going to show it right now. Or are we? I don't know. No, save it for the crochet video. It's not much.
It's not much.
No. Alright. After Michael's, I went to Target. And I got some interesting stuff here at Target. I picked up a bunch of stuff from Maddie, which I already dropped off like Uber Eats. I got some...
Thank you, by the way.
You're welcome. I got some Annie Chun's peanut satay because it was on sale. I might have this for lunch today. Sorry, stomach.
Oh boy.
Yeah, looks good though. Got some Zataran's yellow rice mix because I can't find the Goya anywhere except for this one ShopRite that is so out of the way. That's the one that we go to on the weekends. I got more Rowdies from my Rowdy boy. These were originally $5. This says they're supposed to be $3.49, but they rang up $2.49, so I'll take that. I got my Horse and Hand or Horse and Heart Hound, whatever it is, Hearth and Hound. Glass canister, originally $20. I got it for $13.99. You know I love my glass canisters. They're everywhere. They're everywhere. I love glass. Got some simple tomato ketchup, pretty plain. Alright, that's it for Target. I was supposed to get gift bags for Sean D there, and I totally was deer in the headlights and didn't get it. Yeah, fresh gift bags, but I must have something in the basement. I must.
Do they have to be white?
I don't know. I'm going to ask him today because I have some, like, from the vet. He's going to, like, put stuff on it, over it anyway, like glue it on.
We have the paper ones from Markets.
Yeah, I don't want to do paper, though, because they're just going to bust. So maybe if I get some if I find some plastic ones in the basement, which I know I have. After there, I went to Aldi. They had some okay stuff at Aldi. Not a tremendous shopping trip. I picked up a lot of most of your groceries from Aldi.
Yeah.
Yeah. I did manage to find this old electric can opener. Because I open so many cans, I'm just so tired of opening cans. My mom always had an electric can opener, and I never really had one. She bought this ridiculous one from, I don't know what home shopping. And I hate this can opener because it eats like 3 or 4 batteries like after 4 or 5 uses. So like, plus it's kind of weak. It's weak sauce. After she passed away, I made sure that I got the can opener because I thought, oh, this has got to be good, but it wasn't. So I got this electric one. I got some taco shells. Tonight's Taco Wednesday. My boulet. I had to buy these for Maddie, so I said, you know what? I'm going to get some of these too. The peanut butter fudge cookies. Yeah. I got restocked on my tofu. Bananas for Mark. I was a bad girl and I got some all-dressed potato chips. I'm getting pissed about the lettuce situation, so I bought lettuce. I feel like if I wash it and spray it with the vegetable wash, it should be okay.
I miss lettuce so much.
I know, I miss it too. It should be okay. It's not like the shredded bag, so like I got lettuce. And I got some baby cukes too, because I really love my baby cukes. And I saw somebody online did a recipe for cucumber, watermelon, something. I think it was It Doesn't Taste Like Chicken. That's the name of her channel and her like persona cookbook and stuff. So I got that. And there's watermelon in there too. I don't think it had feta in it. I don't think so. It had other stuff in it. I don't know. I'll figure it out. Got some tortilla chips. I remembered to get Sean, he calls it duct tape. It's Scotch tape. I don't know why he calls it duct tape. Yeah. In this bag contains frozen veg and frozen french fries. So that is everything that I got at Aldi. Then I went to one of my favorite stores, BJ's. Because now they have the protein milk and they have both vanilla and chocolate and it's a good price. It's $4.79, not on sale. On sale it's $3.99, which is even better, but it wasn't on sale today. Also, they have the Planet Oat Creamer, $3.49. And I had a coupon. So yeah, good for me. I did not have a coupon for these dentist sticks though, for Bowie. We call them his little toothbrushes. These were $25. Well, they do last 2 months because you get 65 in here. So that's 2 months worth of brushing his teeth for $25. I mean, he's never had to have a cleaning because his teeth are pretty pristine. And if you got to have your dog's teeth cleaned, you got to pay for the anesthesia, and then the specialty dentist comes once a week or once every 2 weeks, and it's a whole thing. I'd rather just pay for the toothbrushes. And he does a great job on them. I got more burgers. These were on sale, so I treated myself to the maple pecans glazed mix. That's probably going to disappear in like 2 seconds because everybody loves that. I got another double brick pack of the Impossible. That was on sale for 11 and change. And some of our most favorite bread, this unbromated bread from BJ's, is super good, super healthy. So we got that. I got some seltzer, just plain, because I like to water down my other seltzers.
That is an insane statement.
Well, I mean, or
this seltzer's too strong.
Well, or like the energy drink.
Yeah.
I need to water it down.
I get
or
that.
you could do like an egg cream if you did, you know.
I'm just admiring your
Oh, are you?
foods.
Admire my Hearth and Hound.
Oh, nice.
Yeah. Canister, baby.
Oh.
Yes.
Oh.
Yeah, she saw the maple pecan.
Ooh, got some all-dressed chips.
Yeah.
Okay, sorry, go on.
I got some more little plastic storage. I'm going to take the storage that's in here and put it over there. So I got that for underneath the cabinet because nobody sees that. So it doesn't matter if it looks good or not. Just so that it works. And is that everything? No, that's not everything that I got because I went to the farm store. I was a good girl and I left early. I didn't dawdle. So I treated myself with a trip to the farm store. And I got some fun stuff here.
Was my my friend working?
No, I went to the other one.
Oh, right, that's right.
Yeah. So I got this Rays of New York Bagels Bialy pack. You get 6 Bialys in here. This was such a good price. I think this was like $5.49 or something like that. I love Bialys. There's only one thing that I like almost as much as bagels, and that's Bialys. Especially if they have the onion, but these don't. So, meh. But I'll deal with it. I got some Vidalia onions. I got some vegan forager Greek style yogurt. We're having, this is like our sour cream. We're having, you already know, it's taco / burrito Wednesday. I love this brand Plant Ahead because it's almost like it's plan ahead to save the world. But they make, I believe they made the feta, the vegan feta for Trader Joe's that Trader Joe's doesn't have anymore. But they didn't have the feta today, but they did have this blue cheese, and I think I want to have it on that salad that I bought. I'm going to savor my salad. I'm going to go all freaking out with it. And homemade, handmade burrito skins here. These were in the refrigerated department, so love those. You could just heat those up on the stove before you have your burrito. That is everything that I got now. How about that? What'd you do all day besides Big Brother?
Just really worked on Big Brother.
Oh.
I watered the plants.
Nice.
And,
it's nice and cool in here.
Yeah, just working.
Work. I'm sorry you're missing the show tomorrow. I wish you were coming
know.
with us.
I feel so bad because like every year I really want to go, and I'm like, this year I'm gonna do it. I'm finally gonna do it.
Yeah.
But I feel like I can't.
The last 2 years that we went were really something special.
Yeah, I love the Wizard of Oz so much.
I know.
So I'm definitely bummed that I can't go, but I just feel like I'm already spread so thin, and like we have extracurriculars
Coming
this
up
summer,
too, yeah.
and like coming up, and I just don't want to like give myself another day where I'm like.
Yeah. Well, I'm sorry.
But I hope you guys have fun. I think you're gonna have a blast.
I think we'll have fun. If I get a good seat for Sean, I'll have fun.
I think you guys will.
All
I'm sure
right.
it's gonna be an awesome show.
All right, I'm gonna go try and relocate my hip.
Okay.
Hello.
Hello.
It's kind of dark in here. I'm gonna lighten this up a little bit.
Sounds good.
It's still really dark.
What are you gonna do?
I don't know. You're in the dark over there.
Geez, out there, Ross, in the gas spot.
Let's see what I can do.
It looks fine to me.
All right, it's better. I had it. Oh, that's too much. All right. Today is the day you're watching this, probably.
Did you tell everyone where you went this morning?
Thursday, I had a date with my son, mother boy date. We went to go see. Is this totally blown out?
A little bit.
Just a little. We went to go see The Wizard of Oz.
Woo!
At Restock, and
Very nice.
It was incredible. I'll throw a couple pictures up here.
Oh, I didn't get any pics.
I sent pics. I guess they didn't go through.
I didn't get any.
Oh, well, I'll show you in a minute.
You done?
Did you get a picture?
I don't think so.
Oh.
I don't think they went through.
Oh, well. We had a great time. Sean brought his noise-canceling headphones because he knew the Wicked Witch's cackle was going to be too much for his sensory situation that he's got.
Smart.
Yeah, so...
Franklin the
What?
Witch. Was Franklin the Witch.
No. He was not. Alright. What do you got to say for yourself? What'd you do today?
I worked. I worked on Big Brother.
Oh?
You know, preparing for my spoiler stream.
Yes.
And I got to crochet a bit after.
Yes.
So,
Well,
pretty chill Thursday.
it is a pretty chill
I wish I could have
Thursday.
gone to the show, but
I know.
it
We
was probably
really
best
missed
that I
you.
didn't.
Yeah.
Just because I would have been really stressed
Yeah.
to get everything done.
It's a shame because I think you really would have enjoyed it.
I'm sure I would have. They always do a great job.
They do a great job. And Tonight is the Big Brother eviction.
Eviction night, baby.
And as always, the vlogging is kind of light because when Big Brother season is on, we are 90% focused on Big Brother.
It's all encompassing.
It is all encompassing. I shouldn't say 90 because we still give at least 30% to crochet. So it's probably like 60% Big Brother.
Sure. I guess.
I mean, it is what it is. I don't know. I don't really have much to say. What about you?
What?
You got anything to say? What'd you do today?
I worked.
Oh,
Tired.
me too.
I
I still have to work.
didn't do the lawn. I should have been out there mowing.
It's almost 7 o'clock. I gotta cook dinner. I gotta throw my batch of laundry that I started before in the dryer. I gotta fill up the dishwasher. I gotta watch Big Brother. I have to be charming and hilarious on the video tonight. I have to be outrageous because that's
Well.
what...
We'll see about outrageous.
No, I don't try to be like that. It just happens. It's just a gift.
Okay.
I open my mouth and that's what comes out.
Alright, well, I don't think we need to drag this out.
Yes,
Oh. Who?
I said yes, Angela.
Oh, you think I'm Angela? Well, I might be. You think Angela's jealous? I didn't think so. Oh, now it's
living her
really
dreams.
blown out. Sorry.
Alright, I think it's a good time to say goodbye.
Yes, because I'm just rambling now.
Thanks everybody so much for watching. We hope you have a wonderful weekend.
Yes, have a great weekend. That's right. Today is the kickoff to the weekend for
Yes.
this channel.
And we'll see you soon. So thanks for watching, and until next time,
Much love. Bye, everybody.